Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Merry Christmas everyone, it is Christmas Day and we have one final element in our Advent box from Snazzi Scrappin. And I hope you enjoyed your crafty Advent calendar. Merry Christmas. This is quite substantial, this is quite weighty. Let's see. Oh my goodness. It's from the Paper Boutique. It is Pretty Kitty. Let's have a look. How many do we have in here? We have 8 by 8. We've got 36 sheets and 6 designs, and it's 150 GSM. And again, don't throw away the front because you can still use these little elements here. I might need to zoom out for this one, I think. There we go. So they're single-sided. So we've got some little kitties. We've got some beautiful pink florals. Pink, they're not dots, it's more like splatter. More kitties with some gumboots and flower tins. That's really sweet. Really, really pretty little green tone flowers. More splatter. Are we back to the beginning? Yep, and then we're back to the beginning. So it just repeats. But there's 36 sheets in there, so you can get a lot of cards made, or background elements in albums, anything that you would use paper for. So that was a really, really lovely Advent box. I'll do a final walkthrough of everything that came in, but I'm only going to put it up at the end of, so basically today, Christmas Day. I'll put it up today so that I don't do any spoilers for those that want to just see day by day. Alrighty, join me for the next one. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.